We're gonna ask you what's going on with you so we can demonstrate to all the colleagues here. Can you tell us where is your condition?
I have knee problems. I had a skiing accident when I was in my 30s, so half my lifetime ago.
Oh, you're so cute. Yes.
And I ripped out my ACL. They didn't discover it in the ER, and so I went 4 years with no ACL in one side. So it damaged the other side too.
Oh no.
So I've had knee surgery on both knees. And 2 years ago I had stem cell injections.
Wonderful.
So it's been wonderful. I don't have problems except when I
Squatting?
Yes. So qigong is hard for me. And anyway,
Even a little bending that hurts, or what's going on? Is it weak, pain, or?
it's weak, and if I do it for a few minutes, then it hurts.
Okay. It hurts.
Yes.
All right. Can you use one finger to show me exactly where it hurts?
It hurts across here,
Okay. Both.
both sides.
Okay. Can you tell me how much pain you have on your right knee, right here? How much pain? From 1 to 10. 10 is the worst.
That is 2. So the left side is worse.
Okay. How about here? What is it?
This is probably 4.
4. 2 and 4.
Yes.
So if you're standing, are more pain.
Standing is not problem, it's bending.
So when you bend, how much pain you have?
Probably 6.
Okay. Do you want to bend a little bit so you can feel how much pain you have after I put the needles in? I
Sure.
need you to bend too.
Sure.
Okay, so now you bend first before the needles. So you tell everybody how much pain that you, like that, how much pain?
That's probably a 6.
Okay, have a sit. Both are 6?
It was 7 here, 6 here.
Okay, you remember now. And you remember how much she pain. Later she might be like this, okay? We don't know.
Oh, that would be good.
We'll see, because, you know, it's just acupuncture. Relax. All right. Can you remove this watch for me, please?
Yes.
How long have you been wearing this watch? For the past 2 years?
No, 2
Can I
months.
have it?
2 months.
Is it making you feel more pain when your knee? And then, is that how you exasperated for your knee pain? You didn't relay that, huh?
No.
Okay. I'll tell you the story later for that. Okay. You ready for me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I used 36 gauge 1.5 inch needles. Good one? All right.
Good one.
All right. Now I like you to stand up and then bend a little bit.
Oh,
Is it lower? One more
Yes.
time. How you feel?
better.
How much better? Bend a little bit. Okay.
It's probably now only a 2.
Now only a 2.
From 7 to 2.
Okay. Okay, standing straight. So this is 7 to 2, and how about this one? It was 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. So that one is still painful.
Okay, have a sit. So this one is better, this one's not better yet.
Yes.
Okay, where is the pain on this one?
It's still right across here.
Is it feel deep or medium deep?
It's medium deep, and it's through here
A
too.
little higher?
It's
Okay.
higher.
Okay, all right. Okay, can you just raise your leg and put it down? One more time. How you feel?
That's fine.
Okay, now I need you to stand up again, please. All right, now bend a little bit and standing up and bend a little bit now. Okay, now tell me how is it?
That's pretty good.
How good is pretty good?
This
From
one
1 to
doesn't.
10.
This one doesn't hurt anymore. This one still hurts a little.
This one doesn't hurt anymore. This one still a little, like
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
This is probably a 2.
Two
This
out
one
of
doesn't
10.
hurt at all.
Wonderful. So have a sit. So it results really fast. If she's in my clinic, I will have her resting for about 45 minutes. And then now I look at her in the eye. Will you come to my clinic 2 times a week? Preferable coming tomorrow.
Yes.
So I can make sure you get better real quickly. Then you can do something and then life it goes on and you'll be happy. But 2 times a week for 4 to 6 weeks. And then we can evaluate how you goes and then we'll see what's our plan later. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.